Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview, November 19th, 2014 on a Wednesday, halfway through our trading week. We call that hump day. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, bright blue sunny skies, and I gotta tell you, quite hot today. I think we'll be hitting the AC. Traders, remember this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Guild. I am your moderator through the market opening preview series every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006 and 2008. I retired from a great career in the public safety department out of the great state of Florida. And after 27 years, 9 days later, after I retired, I got on a big bird, came over to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate. Well, traders, it's 2014 and I'm still here. Absolutely loving the expat life in Thailand. The weather, the food, everything. It's absolutely wonderful. However, I do trade probably 10 hours a day. So I am in the markets. I might not necessarily be in a trade, but I am in the markets. Actually, yesterday I was trading, and I was trading from 7 a.m. and I didn't enter my trade until 7:30 p.m. before I had to set up to enter the trade. So yeah, I'm very involved in the markets and watching and listening. Let's get the legal stuff out of the way. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, most of all, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Traders, I'm sorry if I sound a little different. I've got a head cold and it's driving me crazy. All right, let's get over to news and commentary. The Dow closed flat at 0.00. The Nasdaq is up 31.44. The S&P is closed also at 0.00. I'm using a different charting package. So let's see. The FTSE 100 closed at 37.16. The DAX at 150.18%, and the Euronext 100 closed at 6.29%. Coming over to the Asia side, the Nikkei 225 closed at 45.83%, with the Shanghai closing negative at 5.13%, and the Hang Seng also negative at 67.07 in the negative. Traders, I apologize. I do not have an economic calendar in front of me, and I'm doing this off my laptop, so I don't have an economic calendar in front of me. I apologize for that. Let's get over to the 60-minute charts. And remember, these are Forex charts. Oh, please. Everybody wants to sell you something. It's amazing. I've been to like Bloomberg, CNN, all of them, and they don't have economic calendars. How can you not have economic calendars? It's like crazy. I've never seen anything like it. They got sports though. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? I do have one. Hold on 1 second, traders. I do have this. Hold on. All right, traders, I do have economic calendar. We had, let's see what we got going. Looks like there's a monetary policy statement out of the yen. Also, the Bank of Japan has a press conference. In the London session, we have MPC official bank rate votes. And in the U.S. session, we have building permits. And that is our high impact. 12 hours. That is our high impact for today. Wow, tomorrow is a full day of high impact news events. So that is our economic calendar. I apologize. I can't believe this other platform didn't have it. But I do have it now, so that's good. So let's cue. 60-minute chart. Start off with the euro. All right, the euro. It's just all over the place. One day it's up, one day it's down, one day it's up, one day it's down. At the moment, it's up. You know what? We're going to take it back down to the 61.8 at 1.2500, say. And we're going to take this back up to that 25.37 area and see what happens. Folks, if it closes below the 200 exponential moving average, gives you bearish candlestick formation, short it. I mean, I'd rather short the euro than buy the euro, but some of these pairs have just been all over the place. All right, here's the pound. This is yesterday's movement in the pound. I mean, absolutely nothing. I put a resistance line in there. You know, I'm looking for this to give us a bullish candlestick formation. This is going to bounce off of here and give us some pips. At a minimum, it's going to get us to the next resistance line, and at 56, what is that, 69? And we can, you know, we can take this back to the downside, back to support. But it's got to do something. I mean, what we're looking at here, we're looking at like a triple bottom here. So I have no idea what this is going to do. I'm expecting this to bounce. I know it's counter trend. So we basically have two trading opportunities with the pound. We're either going to take the bounce and take it up, or we're going to wait till it retraces and take it back down. All right, the Aussie yesterday was all over the place, as you can see by the chart. It was all the way up, it was all the way down. I was shocked when I opened my charts today and found that the Aussie was below the 200 exponential moving average. So I just want this to pull back up to that 23.6. I had nothing to use as a way to grade this. So I fibbed the whole swing of the whole chart. And we're looking at 86.77, about that. Like to see that pull up. We got about 4 hours before. I'm sorry, we have 3 hours before the open. And maybe we can get a pullback and we can just short this thing. As long as it stays below the 200, I'm fine with that. Here's a Euro Aussie, nice trade plan. Let's see if we can get this to pull back to the 618. I'm just going to take this up to the 161. Fibonacci level for a take profit. This is another pair that is like, when it works, and traders, when it doesn't work, it really does not work. It's one of those. All right, our bullish Euro Yen. Yesterday's trade just worked out perfect. Had a breakout and went up through the limits. Excellent trade if anybody took that. Looking at the same exact thing. Yes, this is a new chart and a new trend line, but we're going to do the same thing. If it breaks out, get a retest and take it, whatever direction, whether it's up or it's down. But I am very, very bullish in this situation at the moment. This pair has really been a joy to work with in the last week. This has just been so bullish and just reacting to every price level, like fibs and support and resistance levels. It's really been a really nice pair to trade this week. Let's head over to the New Zealand dollar. Here's a New Zealand. I wasn't expecting, well, we were expecting this. It was bullish yesterday, if you remember. So basically what it was, we did the range here as it came all the way back down to the 200 exponential moving average. Actually, yesterday I think I said I thought this was going to go up, and it didn't. It came down as they were talking about dollar weakness. Well, guess what? There was no dollar weakness here. This is dollar strength, and now it's at the 200. So I have no idea what this is going to do. You know, the New Zealand, again, like the Aussies, all over the place because it's a commodity pair, and we have to take that into consideration. Traders, I would like to see this bounce off this 200 exponential moving average, and at the London Open, give us a nice, strong, bullish candle, and we can take this back up to the top. And you know what? When it gets to the top, we're going to take it back down to the 200 exponential moving average, right? What a way to end the week, or middle of the week. But if this closes below the 200, it's probably going to break the bottom support area, and you know how to work that. Let it retest it, and then you can take that to the downside. All right. Traders, thank you for putting up with me. Sorry that I sound so terrible, and I tell you the truth, I feel pretty bad myself. But on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our two friends, FXCL Excellence in Trading, thank you for joining me today. And we will catch you tomorrow before the London Open. Take care, traders. Have a great day, and bye-bye.